What's going on, YouTube? Doing some Burlington and Ross trips out in Puente Hills. Let's go. Starting off in the large, you got some Clippers merch right here. Clippers shirt. This is 47 brand. Damn, something's loud as hell. Goddamn, I don't know if you guys can hear that. $10. Pretty dope. Rams t-shirt right here, going for $13. This is a Nike shirt. MLB brand. Got Angels shirt right here, go for $8. NFL t-shirt right here. This is a I thought this was NFL brand. No, this is Nike, dude. $13 for Nike Seahawks t-shirts. This is a medium. Oh, that's the bowling alley upstairs. That's what I hear. Bowling alley. It's the pins falling down because it is we're underneath round one. Got and one merch. Seen and one merch in years. I've seen their sneakers, but not their merch. $10. This is really, I guess it's a thin fleece, I guess. Nike sweats right here. $22 for Nike, so it's normally $55. It's tapered. Okay. Not really seeing much in the shorts. Let's move on to the sneakers. Damn, men's sneakers. Bare, dude. Holy cow. Section is naked, dude. What the hell? Dude got these bad boys right here, of course. Seen these a million times for $35. The Trae Young 2s? Or these are Trae Young 1s. And then look at this. Look at this. The GT cuts. I am really surprised to see these here. Oh shit, is this going off already? $60 for these. These are size 8. That is fire. These are normally $180. Down to $60. That's a size 8. Got some softball cleats right here. Nike softball cleats with Renew. Price unknown. Price unknown. Size 8. Got some of these. We've seen so many of the fake ones. You got some legit ones right here. They've been going for like, what, 30, 35? This one doesn't have a price tag. But they've been going for like 30, 35 for the Adidas foams. Another pair right here. This one, I think, does have a price tag. $33. These are a size 10. Looks like they've been tried on. Yeah, and right when I say that, yep, one of the fake ones, got those right there. And one's down to $15. Holy cow, that's loud, dude. Oh man, Takeoff 3s, $15 for A1s. Holy cow. Size 16 Hardens right here. Harden Volume 6s down to $40. Nike Alpha cleats. These look like they're for football. And they're clearanced away. Freaking $17. Holy crap. How come I can't find a size 9.5 or 9 on those? I could use one for my kiddo. Yeah, these are $22. These are size 12. The Puma basketball sneaker. Washington Commanders beanie right here. I don't know what brand this is. It just has like a super generic tag on it. But yeah, these are pretty dope, dude. $10. Nice stitched on stuff right there. Anybody need to dress up as naughty Mrs. Claus right there? $13. Got a pretty big toy section. I know a lot of people have been searching the toy section. I don't really need toys like that, but they do got basketballs right here and stuff. Nike basketball. These are on the ultra durable cover. Pretty much for outdoor. 25 down to 15. Not bad. Do got a Kyrie one right here. No box though. Do got a Kyrie one down to $15. I know people have been trying to find these bad boys. That's definitely interesting. All right, checking out Ross. With this weird pole right there. What the hell? You do pull-ups and then you get 20% off or something? Yeah, I did talk to one of the workers. If you do more than 10 pull-ups, you get 10% off. No, I'm just joking. Don't talk to workers about that. But yeah, $65. Down to $30 for this. Not too bad. Not too bad. Just chilling right there. New Balance jacket right here. We've been seeing a lot of these. $22 for these bad boys. Oh, this is a nice one. Look at this. Project Rock right here. Pretty fire, dude. Normally $85. $27. What the hell? How does... Oh, it's a medium. Okay. I'm thinking of Nike. Nike uses yellow for the medium tags. Does my kid have any Under Armour stuff? This is actually fire, dude. $27. That's actually super dope. Trying to figure out if someone needs this for Christmas or birthdays or something. Nike swim t-shirt right here, $17. Oh, New Balance camo hoodie. Different than most other New Balance stuff we've seen. These are going for $20. I don't know what the normal tag is. Okay. Adidas jacket right here. Small, going for $80. Got one of these in a large, a small. Oh, someone accidentally put that there. They got one in a small, going for $28. Dude got one of these bad boys right here. Dalvin Cook jersey right here. This is a Nike jersey. Obviously, he's not with that team anymore. But yeah, $150 down to $40. Of course, they're going to be under retail because he's not there anymore. Dodgers hoodie right here, pretty dope. Stitches brand, $25. Pretty clean. We go to double XL. There's some more interesting stuff. Justin Jefferson jersey. So I did some research on this, and some of you guys helped me in the comment section. They got this after he got drafted, before the season started, so they made number 2 jersey because that was his jersey in college, and then he didn't end up wanting that number, so they ended up changing it. You got a Nike running pullover, but yeah, normally $80 down to $24. Got one of the DeAndre Hopkins. I swear to God, I almost say Bernard Hopkins almost every time. $120 down to $40. That's a dope jersey. And then dude got a JJ Watt. And dude got, that's TJ Watt, right? JJ Watt's with Pittsburgh, right? Or do I not know what the hell I'm talking about? But yeah, got a bunch of bigger sizes of those. Starting with the bigger sizes in the sneakers. Hey man, let go, dog. Let go, man. But yeah, these are some forms right here. They don't have a strap though. No strap. $40 for these bad boys. Vans skate highs. Go for way too much at $40. Go upstairs. Check out the Champs outlet. Hope you guys saw that video because deals are crazy there. Old schools right here. Going for $35. Long haired suede. I'm a fan of that. Size 13. Got some polo sneakers. They're here. Sauconys. You don't really see Sauconys too often. I do not have a pair of Sauconys. These are the Shadow 6000. These are actually pretty fire. If you like that old school look. Never seen these here. Shadow 6000s. $50 for those bad boys. These in like some of the doper colorways are really sick. Those are actually nice. Got some of the OG Reeboks right here. $35 for those. Do got the Clifton 8s right here. The Clifton 8s go for $80. Size 10. More of these hideous Cocoonis going for $60. Romas. Don't really see these too often. Romas down to $22. Back in the day, I would have just grabbed this. Romas do run tight, so these are 11.5. They probably fit me, but I need to stop buying stuff, like I said. More Saucony, the Glide 16s. One of their premium sneakers do $70 for these bad boys. These are size 10, and then these are size 10 as well. $70. 2 different colorways. These are some of their premium sneakers. That's pretty fire. And then which ones are these? These are for tennis. Something hardcore. I don't know. But yeah, these are going for $40. Yeah, that's happened so many times. All right, I gotta go to work, and then we'll continue. All right, one last stop. I'm in Torrance Harbor Gateway. I think it's technically Harbor Gateway. All right, let's go. Lately been seeing a ton of, what are these? Project Rock. This is fire, dude. This is a small by sea. They probably have one that says by air, by land or whatever. $60 down to $15. This is a small long sleeve t-shirt. Under Armour Notre Dame, kind of like a dry fit t-shirt. $13, not bad. I just saw another one of those by sea t-shirts. I also see this right here. It's a vest, and it is a small, yeah, Project Rock stuff. Pretty fire. $17. More Project Rock. What the hell? $15 for that. Dry fit long sleeve tee right here, going for $17. This is a medium. Adidas is like a fleece fleece jacket, $30 for these bad boys. This is pretty nice. Normally $65. Medium Under Armour hoodie going for $25. Normally $60. Another one of these Nike hoodies with a flower on it, $75 down to $25. Got a couple of them in a large. Oh, got a medium too. Blank football jersey XL for $10. Who's this? Who is this? OP? I don't know who this is. I don't know who that is. Who is that? But yeah, $130 down to $20. That is a Puma jacket right there. USA soccer, USA national team soccer jacket right here is going for $35. That is a windbreaker. And one of these in a double XL. So we're seeing a lot of these. If you're a fan of Project Rock, that's what's up. $15. In the sneaker section, do got some Eagle Fang Karate All Valley Championship Vans right here. Cobra Kai Vans go for $35. These are smaller size 7. Softball cleats right here. The Renew on the bottom going for $15. Got some of these. What the hell are these called? These are the Phantoms. Either the Phantoms, super high end. Normally like $160 or something like that. Going for $47. NMDs, all white. All white. Going for $65. Almost all white. A little coffee stain on it. Alright. Looks like it hasn't been worn, just kind of abused, I guess. New Balance 440. Boots looking things right here going for $43. Got some Vans right here going for $10. Oh, my bad. Size 10 go for God knows what. Saucony Right 16s. One of their flagship freaking running shoe right here. $70. Starting to see these. That's pretty fire. Well, if you're into running and stuff like that, I shods. Someone just told me about one of these. The homie Pat did. I hadn't seen these. $50 for these. We've seen these cheaper at the outlet. So Under Armour's. I don't know this one. Is it the Charge? Is it? I don't know. It's one of the higher end ones. I know that. $47. Size 10. Got some Witnesses. Witness. $60. $60 size 11s. These are the Witness 6s? 5s? I don't know. Some Hokas right here. What are these? They always have like new names that I've never heard of. Gaviotas? Never heard of those. $90. New Balance is right below that. 272s. Not familiar with those. $35 for those. Got a half-filled cup of who knows what the fuck that is, but got a drink right there. Got half hats on the floor. That's why some of the merchandise here tends to be dirty as hell, because half of it ends up on the floor like this. Like, what the hell is this? I don't know who the hell that is. Someone's gonna be all mad. Why didn't you know that team? My bad, dude. Shit, dude. I don't know every team. My bad. Got more of these Buccaneer hoodies right here. This is fire. If they had a 901, why come they don't have 901s, dog? Yeah, it's like similar colors to Niners. I'm like, could it be? Got some Chiefs ones. These are kind of cheap though. Like, there's no lining in it or nothing. Apparently I'm bougie. $15. What team is this? Oh, who that? Got some Saints gear right there. That's fire. These have all been $13. Normally $37 or something. Got some Pets gear that I almost missed. $36 for this. Not a fan of that material. I like this like knit stuff better. Got SC merch. Don't really see that too often. These are like $17, I believe. Well, $15. $15. Oh, this comes with the... Oh, there's a Slam magazine. Oh, that's kind of cool. That's kind of cool. A Funko Pop. $9 right there. I got Funko Pops. Thanos. Groot. I haven't really stopped by any of the toy things because Not stuff I'm into, but some of you guys might be into some of this. And then I know some of y'all been looking for the lightsabers. These are not the ones y'all been looking for. These are like the budget kiddo ones, but they're cool if that's what your kids are into. They got another one right here. It's a red one. Okay. The women's section. See these forums here. That's pretty much about it. Size 9.5, 43 for those. Some Hoka boots right here going for 70. That's about it though, man. That's about it. Been out pretty much all day. And yeah, this is the cheapest gas in the Southern California area. It's hilarious because y'all from out of state are like, what the F? Like that's the price here? And some of you guys in Los Angeles are like, what? For $4.50? Because everywhere else is higher. Like Torrance, I'm in Harbor Gateway. Harbor Gateway, Torrance tends to be the cheapest area for gas. Because I think all the refineries are right here. All the refineries are like 3 out of 4 are like right in this area. So yeah, man, that's the price of gas right now. The cheapest price of gas in SoCal. I haven't checked Costco, and actually there was an Arco that was $4.49. That's the cheapest place I've seen probably in the last 2 years, I want to say, since Biden's been in office. So yeah, if you guys want to help with the membership, I'm just saying, if you guys want to check it out, go ahead. Help a boy, press that like button if you're new, subscribe. Make sure you press that notification button too, because I do drop a ton of videos. It's gonna keep going, man. It's gonna keep going.